Hey, I'm Fucci and welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Can you believe June is already here? Summer's just around the corner and that means some great summer salads. Because of that, we're gonna dress it up in the TK, where all month long we're gonna be featuring some of our most tasty homemade tiny kitchen salad dressings that you can mix up in literally just about 2 minutes. We're kicking off the month with our Shallot Vinaigrette. This is a great all-purpose dressing that works well on any salad, including pasta salad. So let's get shaken, because it's time to bring it. Shake it up. So what you're gonna need is olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, pepper, and a shallot. You'll also need a mixing jar, glass measuring cup, measuring spoons, and a sharp knife. Whenever I put this dressing on a salad, people are always asking for the recipe, and really, it couldn't be easier to make. It's olive oil and balsamic vinegar in a 2-to-1 ratio. We're gonna add that to our mixing jar. Now, by all means, you can use glass measuring cups for this. I like to just eyeball it. And next we will add our balsamic vinegar. To that, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. And next we've got the star of the show, our shallot. We're just gonna take off the end. I'm gonna cut it right in half, peel back the skin. I'm gonna make vertical strips along the length of the shallot, making sure not to pierce the root. Give it a quarter turn, and voila. Then we're just gonna add our shallots to our mixing jar, top it off, and shake it really hard. The Shallot Vinaigrette. Hey, go get the recipe for this. It's available on our website. You can also check us out at Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. And when you try this recipe, please let us know about it in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. Until next time, I'm Fucci, reminding you that if I can make a homemade shallot vinaigrette in a kitchen this tiny, you can make it in yours. We'll see you next time on Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. Bring on the salad! Welcome to Tiny Kitchen Big Taste. I mean, it's just getting worse. Shake it up! Oh, I lost a microphone. So far, we have more outtakes than we have non-outtakes.